Welcome to exploring the formation of elements during the stellar formation and evolution. So, did you know that you are made of stardust? How does it happen that we are made of the stardust? Okay, so let's start here. So, stars are born in nebulae, or we call this the molecular cloud. Okay, so inside the molecular cloud or the nebulae, meron na talaga tayong helium, hydrogen, and helium. So, those are the lightest element that we can found inside our periodic table. So for the atomic number of helium is 2 and for the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Kaya sila yung mga lightest element. So makikita natin, nag-start daw in nebulae, meron na tayong helium and hydrogen. So nuclear fusion happen inside the star. So what will happen inside the star? Paano daw nagkaroon ng nuclear fusion? So the hydrogen and helium fuse together. And ito yung tinatawag nating nuclear fusion. Okay? So after that, nag-produce ng energy. So what will happen next? So these are the life cycle of the star. So we have here the main sequence, the red giant, and the supernova. Ito yung main sequence natin, the red giant and supernova. So after the main sequence star, magiging red supergiant na siya or the red giant. And inside the red giant, the nuclear fusion happen inside. So from the helium to carbon. Okay? So hydrogen to helium, next is to carbon, then additional of again ng helium para maging oxygen. So inside the red giant, nandito na yung mga formation of other element like carbon and oxygen because of the nuclear fusion. And then we have here also the supernova. So ano naman yung mga elements na makikita natin inside the supernova? So next here, the explosion creates the heavy elements. So bigger star make heavier elements. Okay, so after the explosion or the supernova explosion, makikita na natin yung mga mas mabibigat pa na elements like AU for gold. Okay, so AU for gold, U for uranium, Pb for lead, and Fe for iron. So the heaviest element here that form inside the stellar nuclear synthesis is the Fe or yung ating iron. Okay, so iron is the heaviest element here. Stars made the elements that made you. Our body uses elements made in the stars. So how does it happen? So inside the elements of the star, nakita natin yung carbon, oxygen, and iron. And those are the elements na makikita din natin inside our body. The carbon that we release, the oxygen that we need to breathe, and the iron inside our blood for us to live. So, we are made of stars element. So the same elements born in stars now live inside you and inside me. Thank you for listening.